In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your sitemap in Yoast SEO. A sitemap is a crucial component of your website's SEO as it helps search engines like Google understand the structure of your site, making it easier for them to index your content. Keeping it updated ensures that search engines have the most current view of your site's layout. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, you need to ensure that XML sitemaps are enabled in your Yoast SEO settings. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Yoast SEO section and click on it. Then, go to Settings and select General. In the General settings, you should see an option called Site Features. This is where you want to be. Scroll down until you find the option labeled XML Sitemaps. Make sure that this option is enabled. This feature must be turned on for Yoast SEO to generate and update a sitemap for your site automatically. Now that you have confirmed your XML sitemaps are enabled, let's discuss refreshing your sitemap. Yoast SEO is designed to regenerate the sitemap automatically in certain situations. For example, whenever you publish, edit, or delete a post or page, the sitemap is updated. Likewise, if you change any of your SEO settings or switch off and then back on the sitemap setting itself, Yoast takes care of refreshing the sitemap for you. However, there might be times when you need to force a refresh manually. To do this, head over to the Yoast SEO section again. Click on Settings and then find XML sitemaps within that menu. Once you're on the XML sitemaps page, you'll notice the option to toggle the sitemap setting off. Go ahead and switch it off. Don't forget to click the Save Changes button to confirm this action. After saving, turn the sitemap setting back on and once again, save your changes. This process effectively forces Yoast SEO to rebuild your sitemap from scratch, incorporating any changes or updates you've made to your site. By following these steps, you ensure that your sitemap stays updated, which is essential for keeping your SEO efforts on track. An updated sitemap helps search engines keep tabs on all the important pages of your site and facilitates faster indexing of new content. Remember, keeping your sitemap accurate and up-to-date is an ongoing process that plays a vital role in your overall SEO strategy. It's a small step with a big impact on your website's visibility and performance. So, take a moment to check your settings and keep your sitemap in optimal condition.